Boy Cragsy, and I'm in the workshop today and we're doing Eli's chain. Eli's bike. Bit of maintenance. I'm going to do his chain today because it's the slackest I've ever seen it, and it's definitely seen its day. I'll let you know how it goes. So, you slackened off the axle, and now you got to take the chain tensioner all the way back because you're putting a new chain on. So you're going to have to reset your tensioners, and it looks a little bit like that. And you got to do that twice, both sides, because when you retension your chain, it's got to be level on both sides because your sprocket needs to run in line with the front sprocket. Alright. So when you've got your chain off, you've already got your new chain, probably off your bike Ragzik, or my scooters, or Red Circles, or 7-1 Racing, or anybody else you can get your chain from. Now your new chain's going to be a lot longer, roughly about 130 links I think they are. And before you buy your chain, you're going to have to check the pitch. Now this one is a 428, but on a couple of other bikes that our group's got, they've got 420, so make sure you check because it won't fit on the sprockets otherwise. So there's your chains. That's the new one, that's the old one. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to count the amount of outer links on your old chain, which this one is, I can't remember, I'll have to count it. And then you cut your new chain to be in the right length. And then you're going to count the links on that. And then you're going to cut that so it's got the same amount of links as that. And you're going to need one of these, because gone are the old days when you used to knock it out with an hammer and a nail. And I'll show you when it's done. Now when you're doing this bit, putting your chain back on, make sure the bike's out of gear, because when you're pulling on the chain, the front sprocket won't move and you won't be able to pull your chain. So just make sure it's out of gear. And then I feed it from here, round the sprocket, under the chain roller, through this piece here, and then I join the two bits of chain together with the split link, and then I put it on the sprocket and roll it back, and that's your chain on. And then you got to do your chain tensioners. I'll show you how it goes.